Hi! Today we're gonna make aผัดกะเพราปลาหมึก and Suki roll. Let's go!
Start by cleaning a squid and remove a squid head and clean it again. Put a glass noodle in water and leave it 10 minutes. Next, we're gonna cut the squid into circle. And clean it again. Prepare ingredients: soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, fish sauce, garlic, holy basil, white cabbage, chili. Next, clean the cabbage. Then, blend the cabbage in hot water 5 to 10 seconds. Next, we're gonna remove a stalk of cabbage. Then chop a squid. And mix ingredients together. And chop a glass noodle and mix it again. Then stuff and roll. Put it in the pot and steam for 30 minutes. Powdered garlic and chili together. Put a pan on a stove. Put oil in a pan. Then put all the ingredients that we prepared and mix it together. The last step is put it on a plate and bring a Suki roll on a plate.